So right now we're going back to the store. We're gonna get house shoes today. But first, food. We have been trying to get to this restaurant to try their vegan brioche breads for pretty much 4 days now. So we finally caught them open, and I decided to go with the chocolate almond brioche, and then Diamond went with the peanut butter brioche. Surprisingly, Raia did not want anything, but of course she did take a bite of mine. As you can see, it is dipped in chocolate with roasted almonds inside of the crust. And when I tell you this bite was everything, it was absolutely everything. My big bag snack for the day. I got the chocolate, and then I got some of Diamond's peanut butter.
She got the chocolate. Her back to get the chocolate. Hands down. Nothing.
Tastes like a Reese's cup. Another place that we stumbled upon was a cat cafe right next to the place where we got the vegan brioche bread. I have been wanting to go to a cat cafe since I've gotten here, and I looked a few up, and then I planned out a date in my head. It just hadn't happened, but we did find one. 250 baht per person for 1 hour, and it includes a beverage. So we saw all sorts of sweet little babies. We had a great time playing with them, cuddling with them, petting them. I highly recommend, if you are in Chiang Mai, to stop by this cat cafe if you are a cat lover like myself. I'll let you guys just take it all in. So we got Raia's house shoes. Show us the house shoes you got. And how much were those?
I don't even know.
139 Thai baht. They're never in season. Well, they weren't in season the last time I came. I am gonna get some shorts. That's her way. It's so easy to get carried away and just eat out every single day in Thailand, but I do make sure to stop by the store and get fruits and veggies as well as some other quick items for us to snack on and make quick meals. This is my favorite rice cream right here, but let's get into these oyster mushrooms. So to give context, this small thing came from this with this. They're good though. So I spent like $25 US dollars for this. Everything for the most part has been prepped. I have some peppers, onions, Thai chilies, then I have zucchini and garlic, broccoli, kale, and cabbage under there. And I'm gonna do a quinoa stir fry. Quinoa is done. Whopped up. I've added in the broccoli, added the kale and the cabbage, added garlic and ginger, so it is 6:30 a.m. I'm up doing my morning rituals. And we are preparing for a surprise today. We're doing I don't want to say it because I'll say it in the voiceover, but I'm not going to say it now because I don't want Raia to hear me. It's a surprise for her. So, this is a bit strong today, but that's how I need it. We tend to get up pretty early. Yeah, did a meditation this morning, and right after that charged all of my electronics because we're going to be gone most of the day. Outside is the outdoor cooking class that we're doing. That is a big surprise, and it's going to be about 6 hours. So I'm going to finish getting ready, and then I will pick back up when we are on our way to the farm.